All right, it's time for another childhood recipe video, and this is actually a simple recipe that is so good and anyone can do it. It is simply 3 ingredients: chicken breast, Bisquick pancake baking mix, and chicken broth. You can use canned broth, you can use the broth that comes in the boxes, you can use your own broth. My husband likes the how do you say it, honey? Bouillon? How do you say this?
Bouillon.
Bouillon. Say it again.
Bouillon.
Bouillon. Okay. Just ruined that start of the video.
Bouillon.
Anyway.
Bouillon.
3 ingredients. Well, and then Robert said 4, counting water. I'm going with 3 ingredients. The 4th one is water. So first, we're going to boil the chicken breasts with the chicken broth. And so with these 2 breasts, it's going to be 8 cups of water, and how many, whatever the instructions. This tells you exactly. We love this stuff. Once you open it, you put it in the fridge. Takes up way less space than buying the big containers of chicken broth. So we actually use this a lot, and it comes in. This is chicken, but you can also get it in beef. You can get it in ham. It's a lot harder to find the ham. But I'm rambling. The whole point is, this is one of my favorite recipes that my husband brought into the relationship, and one of his favorite childhood recipes, and it is so freaking simple. So first, we're gonna just boil the chicken breast in chicken broth.
Half hour.
For a half hour.
Not a half hour.
Until the chicken breasts are done. These are pretty thick chicken breasts. Are you gonna boil them whole, or are you gonna cut them down?
I'm gonna cut them down.
He's gonna cut them down, probably just in half, so it's 4 pieces.
I don't know,
this is 2 breasts. Basically, you just want the chicken cooked. Eventually, he's going to shred it down because
I leave it as it is.
Oh, that's right. It's how you could shred it down. I'm trying to picture how Robert does it. So yes, he's just going to cut these in half because they're going to be serving sizes for us. So anyway, what'd you say? Half hour?
Not half hour. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You'll know.
You'll
just
know.
Look at it, poke it with a fork.
Poke it with a fork. Oh my God.
There's no recipes where I come from.
Bacon with 80s Toy Hunter. Always so much fun. Okay, so it's basically 1 teaspoon for each cup. So 8 teaspoons of the bouillon, and this is what it looks like. Really is the best stuff. So stir it up, and once this starts boiling, then we will add the chicken breast. He did go ahead and cut it into strips. Just makes it a little easier to eat, and it will cook a little quicker. All right, you need to make biscuits dough. You just follow the recipe on the box. So earlier I said you only need 3 ingredients. I was wrong. You technically need 4 because we need milk to make these biscuits. So you need 2 1/4 cups of the mix and 2/3 cup milk. So I'm gonna get that measured out and get that stirred up and then show you the next step. All right, so now you take the Bisquick mix and just make little balls.
Make sure you don't overmix the...
I overmixed the Bisquick mix.
Because these are probably going to be pretty hard.
Robert's not happy with my overmixing.
Biscuits are something you can't... If you overmix them, you're going to regret it for the rest of your life. Yeah, these are very stiff. Hopefully they puff up.
All right. So now they boil for 10 minutes without a lid, and then 10 minutes with a lid. All right, this is the chicken and dumplings. Dumplings? Did I say that right? So we're gonna scoop out the dumplings into one bowl, and then the chicken into another bowl. So they fluffed out a little, not as much as they normally. That is my fault. I overworked the dough. Remember, don't overwork your dough.
They might be alright.
They look pretty good.
A lot more than normal, too.
I guess I could hold that pot for you. It's just spinning. It's an old pot, so the bottom is not.
Now I leave extra in there.
Yeah, so because what he's doing, we're scooping it out because the most important part is the gravy. And so we're taking out the meat and the dumplings. So Robert can make gravy. He is the king of gravy, and that is the best part of the dumplings.
that's it. It's almost gravy-fied anyway.
I know. It cooked down really good.
Yeah, it did.
So.
And I know you're not supposed to use metal on a pot like this, but I don't care.
All right, he's going to whisk it. So he's just going to whisk it to make it a little more thicker. So there's a couple clumps of the biscuit dough left. And so he's just working that into the water to make like a little roux. You know, like how if you want to thicken your gravy, you add flour. We're just breaking up the little pieces of biscuits that are left.
And I turn the heat up for that.
And you turn the heat up a little bit. And so he's going to whisk it for about a couple minutes.
Yeah, pretty shortly, once it starts bubbling up.
And then just basically thickening up the water that's left over so it turns into a nice thick gravy. Alright, as you can see, the gravy looks awesome now. It's pretty thick. So we just made enough for two, and so I spooned out the chicken and the biscuits on these plates. These are his mom's vintage plates. We always eat this meal on these plates because those are the plates they used growing up, and it's just great memories. So now you take the gravy and spoon it all over your chicken and dumplings. Lots and lots of gravy. Robert actually says the biscuits look pretty good, so I didn't ruin them too bad. Robert, you want to rotate the plates? And so yeah, this is an easy 4-ingredient meal, and we love it. So of course we do have leftover biscuits and gravy, but that's fine. That's my breakfast tomorrow. So there you go.
Yep.
I'm not gonna taste test it because I already know it is delicious. It is our favorite quick meal. And anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.